Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a very chill FabFitFun unboxing for fall of 2021. Every time I realize how many months have passed since the last, thank God I have these boxes to like delineate what the months are, because 3 months just passed in a blink of an eye. It's insane. I wish I had my box to show you, but my box actually got destroyed in the mail and it came completely taped up. Thank goodness everything in there was totally safe and nothing was cracked. And please say hello to my pimple. I scratched my skin yesterday. I guess I was getting a pimple, and then I woke up this morning and it was like huge, and then I just washed my face with a like vibrating scrubber head from PMD and it popped, so we're letting her chill. I don't really have any makeup on my face beside a little blush. The blush is also on my lips with a little gloss, some brows, and some mascara because I have to go to work soon. And I wanted to do a little filming before that happened. So if you are new to FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a quarterly box, so it happens the fall, winter, spring, and summer, and it comes with beauty, fashion, wellness, every single thing you can think of. It is in their home goods. The box is $50 a month, and I think the value I had last time was over $250, which is great. Personally for me, I don't buy a box for the value. I buy a box for what's inside. Like, it could equal $50, but if it's all products that I really enjoy or are really useful, I'm just excited for that. I'm putting that out there. The value sticker doesn't like get to me. It's really what's in the box. So I just started getting FabFitFun again for the summer box. This is my second box back with FabFitFun. I had gotten them previously and then I had canceled and I came back. So I figured I'd keep them for a year and then see how I feel. I enjoy getting subscription boxes. I think they're really cool. So as with last time, FabFitFun lets you choose 3 different products in your box, and they have this really cool thing, which is if you wanted, let's say, 2 products from one category, like one choice section, you could pay an extra, let's say $15 to $20 and get both products. They also come with this really cool magazine, and this is something I got. But they give you like recipes and food. Last time they did break down what choices were what and what they could have been. They don't have that this time, so I kind of missed that. I liked seeing like the choices you could have gotten. And also it gave me the prices. I don't have prices for really anything on here, so I'm gonna have to go into my app for that. But it also features flash sales, so there's quite a few sales for FabFitFun. There are add-ons, and I did buy a few things from add-ons. Then there was just a trendsetter sale. There's currently a jewelry sale going on, and there will be probably 4 more sales before the end of the season. So you would definitely have a chance to pick up all the really cool things. Past things I have gotten from add-ons is the Salt Cup, which is a menstrual cup, and it is the menstrual cup I use. I think it's more eco-friendly, and it's typically $30 and I got it for $19, so I think it's great deals on the add-ons. I did buy add-ons this time, so yeah, let's just get into the box. And I will be using my phone for this because, like I said, I don't have prices on things. So the first choice, there were quite a few things. I don't have all of the choices up, but you could pick 3 different things. So from the first choice, there were 2 items that I really wanted, and one is this Dutch oven. And I did not want this necessarily for me. My partner has wanted a Dutch oven since last Christmas. I told him I would get him one, and then he was like, no, I'm okay. So this is the base of the Dutch oven. It's metal, and it's about this size. I think this is a great size for like 1 to 2 people. It's gorgeous too. Oh my god, I'm in love with the pattern. And then I have the top, which I'm not taking out of the packaging because I do have to give this to him. This retails for $44, and this is from the company Golden Rabbit. This is a small Cobalt Swirl Dutch oven. So you can make like macaroni and cheese in this and some other things. So he really wanted that, so I told him I would get it for him from FabFitFun. But there was another thing from that first choice which I really wanted. So I have had my eyes on Amica, the hair care brand, for quite some time. I have been coming to terms with the fact that I have wavy to curly hair, and I'm unsure of how to take care of that. But at one point my hair was super damaged. I just got like the stuff trimmed, and they were talking about this thing called the Cure Mask, and I really wanted it, but I wasn't sure if it was going to be something that would work well for my hair. It was quite a bit of money. So one of the options was the Amica, the Cure conditioner and shampoo. So this is, these 2 retail for $40 for the bundle. and I'm really excited. It says that it should really help. It says serious revitalization is on the way, packed with a bond cure technology, vegan protein, and plant butters. This repairing shampoo strengthens, hydrates, and brings dry, damaged hair back from the breaking point. After about a month of my hair being cut, it gets to that breaking point. So I'm waiting to use these until I run out of my current shampoo and conditioner, but I was so excited to see Amica was one of the products in the box, especially something I have been like so excited to try and wanted myself, that I decided to pick up both. So the way that I could get both of these products was I put the Dutch oven as my first choice, and then this I added on for $15, which is great. Okay, the second choice item in the box was actually something I'm wearing right now, and it is from Coach. It is this little necklace. I'll put an image here just so you have a better view of it, but it's this little rose gold necklace and these little earrings. The earrings are little flowers, and the necklace is like a little circle with like a gem in the middle, and it says Coach on the side. It is really small and delicate. I typically wear a necklace from CO, and it's a Taurus sign, but it was getting a little, I mean, I've been wearing it like nonstop for almost 2 years now, so I decided I wanted a necklace, but I want something dainty. I'm not into like the big layering. I don't really like jewelry that much, so I decided to pick this up as my choice. I was so excited I got it. This retails for $125. It's Coach. Of course, it's gonna retail for a lot of money, but I was just so happy with it, and I've been wearing it nonstop since I got it. My earrings did come a little bent, like the backs were super bent, so I had to like bend them back into shape, but since then I've been wearing them. They're super comfortable. I can sleep with them in, and that's what I really care about the most. Okay, the next thing that I chose, then this was my, oh, I guess we could choose 4 things. I apologize. This is my third choice item. It's another hair care item, and I know this just shows you growth, because when I started, all I wanted was makeup and skincare from these boxes, and now I have really turned to hair care and like other random things. So because I have come to terms with the fact that my hair is wavy to curly, I was looking up like what to do with wavy hair, and basically they said to treat it like curly hair in order to bring the waves / curls up. So I picked this one, and I don't know if it'll work for me, but I have a friend that likes to use this brand. So this is from Pattern, and this is the curl gel. So I do notice that if I like take my fingers and I make little curls, my hair will stay in those curls. So I figured that my hair is like slightly curly, so I wanted to just try a gel with it and see how it would work. It says this is a favorite for wash and goes. The curl gel is a dream for defined, bouncy, juicy curls for medium hold. If I can just get a little bit of hold on my curls, I'd be super excited. This retails for $25, and I'm so excited to try this. And like I said, if it doesn't work for me, which I'm, you know, completely prepared for it not to, because I don't necessarily think it's for my hair, I will give it to my friend Elise, who loves this brand. So that was my third choice. And the last thing I chose in my box is from Korre. Korre makes me think of the ice cream at the Jersey Shore. It looks like this. My favorite thing is like a orange and vanilla swirl. It's the best ice cream ever, and it just tastes like summer. And even though it's been pandemic, I still went down the shore once and made sure to get some Korres. It's a Jersey Shore classic. So I picked the Korres Renewing Body Cleanser. So this is in the scent Unsure. I'm unsure of the scent of this. It retails for $19. It smells really interesting though. It smells like rosemary, mint, and like, you know when you walk outside and it has just rained and you get that fresh scent? It smells like a mixture of those three. And my partner has been putting on essential oils before we go to bed, and I sleep so well when I smell the rosemary essential oil. So I'm super, 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 super excited to use this in place of a bar soap, which I have been using, and just to smell like a fresh spring day. So that is all the products that I chose, and then FabFitFun chooses the last 2 things for you. There's always a bundle option for one, and then there's singles for one. So what they sent me was the True Morninga Shea and Morninga Balm for hands and body, and it came in this little tube. This retails for $24, and I did already use a lot of these products. I've had this for a week, but I've been crazy at work. This is the most difficult thing to get out of the tube. It like won't come out of the tube. I don't understand how I'm supposed to get it out of the tube correctly. When I do get it out, it is an incredibly thick balm, which is good because I do have eczema. So I have been putting this on my eczema flare-ups on my legs, and it does like really help and soothe them. It's just like impossible to get out of this little tube. So I'm hoping that maybe when I warm it up, perhaps it will come out of the tube faster. But it is something that I have been using, so I really appreciate that. And it has been helping my eczema stuff, you know, just to not be less, I mean, to be less itchy. So that is that. And then the last thing I got was a bundle. Like I said, they always do a bundle or a single or a bundle and a bundle. They have their ways. So in my bundle, I got a little eyelash curler from Babe Lash. I got this Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm, and I also got this Zoe Alia eco-friendly comb set. I've never owned an eyelash curler in my life because my lashes are pretty curled to begin with, but I've been using this for the last few days, and I do see a significant change in my lashes on just how, like, they usually curl later, but they make this curl like a little sooner in the lash. I don't know, I do see a difference. And its bundle retails for $60. So this little chapstick is actually really incredibly nourishing. It doesn't have a center taste, which I appreciate so much, and I've been using it right in the morning when I wake up for work. Typically I don't put on a lip because I put my mask on when I go to work. I'm not trying to get my lipstick all over my mask, but I've been putting this on instead, and it really deeply moisturizes my lips and makes them feel really like soft and plump. It is a very thick formula. I like kind of have to go slow with it. It's not like a chapstick that's almost like liquidy in that way that you could just like rush it over. This is very thick because it's very luxurious. I'm really enjoying this. And then combs. So I guess the hair gods have helped me because I'm not supposed to brush, if I have curly or wavy hair, my hair with a regular brush. It's supposed to be with a comb. So it comes with these two combs. This one, if I ever did anything with my hair, I can like do that thing and like section off my hair if I wanted to like learn how to curl my hair or something. I don't know. And then this one's just a really big comb, which I have been using to comb out my hair, and it does keep my waves more intact than a brush. It looks like they're less frizzy. It's so nice. So like literally it seems like FabFitFun just knew that I was going on my little hair journey and was like, let me help you out. So that is everything I got in my box. I do just want to mention my things that I purchased for add-ons. It was only 2. I purchased this little ring. I'm going to put an image of it up here. It's this little knot ring. It retailed for $60 and I got it for $15. I have had my eyes on a knot ring since Tiffany came out with a knot ring a few years ago, and it's just so beautiful, I think, and simple. I kind of jumped at the chance of getting it. And then the last thing I got was the teeth whitening charcoal powder from Black. I was in a short recently, and I just realized my teeth were not as white as other people's teeth, but I don't like the teeth whitening strips. My teeth are incredibly sensitive. So I thought maybe this charcoal powder would help. I have not used it yet because I am dealing with some teeth sensitivity right now, and so I'm using some Sensodyne. Once that goes down, I'm going to try this, but it smells really good, and I feel like this is a more natural way to just like approach the whitening process. So if this works out, I will let you know, but I've been staring at this for the last few sales, and I finally was like, let me just pick that up. So that is everything I got in my FabFitFun box. Let me just quickly do the math. The total value of this box was $337. Now, I did end up paying $65 for my box because I added the Amica onto mine, but I still think that's a great deal. And like I said, personally, over the value of the box, I don't care about that. I care about the content. Like, this didn't have to be Coach for me to be like super excited about it. I would have been super excited about this if it was a regular brand. It's just the quality of the products curated in the box that really gets me excited. So I am so happy with the products I got in this quarter's FabFitFun, and I cannot wait to see what is in the next quarter. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do have a code here for $15 off anyone's first FabFitFun box. I think it's only one person can use this, but I'll put it down below in case anybody wants to. It's $15 off a box, making your box $35, and that is an incredible deal for everything you get and the access to. They had a recipe in here with the Dutch oven, and I'm super excited to try it with my partner for like spicy noodles. So it's just like the amount of things that you get for the price is really worth it. So that is it, y'all. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Wear your mask, get vaccinated, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in my next video.